Hey, hope you are well. So in this video, I will show you about free pop-up make on WordPress site. So on WordPress site, we can make pop-up, but some plugins have their own logo on the bottom. But in this tutorial, I will show you how you can make a free pop-up which don't have any limit. Okay, so let's get started. So let me show you the basic feature of this popper. So when anybody enter on the website WordPress, so the pop-up will come on the middle of the page, and the background will be gray, and when anybody click on this button, it will show you the PDF, something like that. If anybody cross here or no click no thanks, the pop-up will gone. So let me show you how you can make it with totally free and unlimited pop-up showing option. Okay, for that we need to go to the WordPress dashboard. You can see here plugins. Okay, add new plugin. Just need to search for pop-up here. Okay, you can see the best pop-up plugin which is called Popup Maker. You can see those reviews. It's the best and free plugin. So you just need to install and active that, and just need to, you can see here the Popup Maker option, and you should go to all pop-up option here. And okay, so when you can see all pop option, you can just need to create a new pop-up. Just you need to click new pop-up. Okay, so I already make the pop-up, you can see. Let me show you how I make the pop-up. I'm all setting here. Okay, for pop-up there are two section. One is theme section, one is pop-up body section. Okay, so this is the body section. You can see here's the content. I just add the content here, some text and button here. So here those code, I will give you those code on the video description below, don't worry about that. So this is the body section. That means this part, this body section here, all body section on this part. Okay, then here's the triggers, and the opening trigger is time delay 500 millisecond, and if anybody closes, then the close option will be here. Targeting all pages, display center pop-up, close. Okay, not important those settings here. Okay, let me show you the okay So the first setting is simple. I will give you the code, or you can design as you want, as like WordPress page or something like that, you know. I think, but the option is customize the theme. So this is the theme part. Okay. So the overlay will be, I give overlay color black and 75% opacity. Overlay means this black background transparent. This is overlay here. Okay. The container padding 0. Background, this background should be yellow. You can change as you want. Opacity 100%. Border none. Rough shadow, you can title color black here. You can see content or black. Close X button here, and size 9. Background opacity 0. Font 1215. Border none. Rough shadow, okay. I use rough shadow, but you can use anything you like. Okay, so that's the basic setup. Okay, and this is the image I made from Canva. I will provide the sharing of this template on the description, don't worry about that. And you can see the code, here is the PDF link. It's basic and simple. So if anybody refresh the page, the power will come here. Okay, it's simple, but it's good for professional work. You can see, just click here and the PDF will open. Okay, hope this video will help you. I will give the all necessary codes and links on the video description. If you learn something from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.